Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys all fine. Today I share the different idea about bizarre plants. Bizarre plants, nature's strangest creation revealed. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the widest plant nature has to offer. From the corpus flowers, pumpkins, aroma to the converse, Venus flytraps and unravel the mysteries of these bizarre botanical wonders. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel before going to video. Welcome to our captivating YouTube channel dedicated to uncovering the secret of the natural most particular and fascinating floral. If you are intrigued by the wide and wonderful world of plants, you are in for an extraordinary exploration of nature's most bizarre creation. In this series, we are taking you on a exciting journey into a wild and showcase a myriad of extraordinarily plants that channel our preparation of word ordinary. From carnivorous plants to exotic flower tree and peculiar botanical options rarely seen, we will unravel the mysteries behind these remarkable specimens. Join us on this captivating adventure as we uncover the most peculiar and aesthetic plants nature has to offer. Whether you are a reasons botanist, a curtains nature, or a simply someone with the application to the extraordinary, this something fantastic for everyone. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give us the thumbs up to remark on a journey exploring natural strange